Fine-tuning your ears. Master English pronunciation with sound discrimination. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to delve deeper into an essential aspect of mastering English pronunciation, sound discrimination. Our focus is going to be on how you can use audio resources to enhance your ability to distinguish similar sounds in English, a crucial part of improving your accent and pronunciation. Sound discrimination is the ability to notice, identify, and differentiate between distinct sounds. This skill is incredibly important when learning English because many sounds may seem identical but can actually change the meaning of a word. For instance, consider the words ship and sheep. They sound very similar but mean different things. The more you listen to English, the better you will become at recognizing subtle differences in pronunciation. This is where audio resources come into play. Audio resources include things like songs, podcasts, audiobooks, and language learning apps. They offer a wealth of sounds for you to practice with, often in various accents and speeds, which can help to improve your sound discrimination skills. Now, let's discuss some techniques to get the most out of these resources. 1. Active listening. Instead of just having the audio play in the background, try to actively listen to what's being said. Focus on each word, how it sounds, and try to mimic it. 2. Repetition. Repeat what you hear. This will help you internalize the sounds and improve your pronunciation. 3. Minimal pairs practice. Minimal pairs are words that differ in only one sound. For example, bit and beat are minimal pairs in English. Practice listening to minimal pairs to train your ears to notice the difference. 4. Slow it down. Many audio resources allow you to change the speed. If you're having trouble distinguishing sounds, try slowing the audio down. Remember, consistency is key. Try to incorporate daily listening practice into your routine. It could be listening to a podcast during your commute, or an audiobook before bed. The more regularly you practice, the quicker you will notice improvements in your sound discrimination and pronunciation. That wraps up our discussion on using audio resources for sound discrimination practice. I hope these strategies and techniques will be helpful in your journey towards mastering English pronunciation. Keep practicing, and stay curious. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.